Children of Standard 6, this is the third chapter that I am going to discuss in biology section of science, that is getting to know plants. In this chapter, we will discuss each and everything about the plants, the kinds of plants. So first, for the introduction of this chapter, I want to tell you that the variety of plants and trees normally we see around our house, in near the schools, and the plants of various shapes and size. The grass in the lawn are also plants, and if we go to the village side, we can see the crop plants grown in the fields all around. At our home and school also we have a large number of plants, including potted plants. So all of us know, and we studied in our previous classes, that plants are living things. They grow in the soil and remain fixed at a place. Through their roots, plants do not move around for food and to reproduce. Plants also do not take food like animals because they can synthesize their own food. And normally we see the different shapes and sizes of the plants. Some plants are very big, some are medium sized, some are small, whereas some are just patches of grass material on the soil. But most of the plants have green leaves. So plant world is green. So all the green leaves contain chlorophyll, and due to chlorophyll they look green. And few plants have different colored leaves too. Most of the plants bear flowers. They are called flowering plants. So most of the plants that bear flowers are called flowering plants, like rose, mango, neem, bougainvillea, mustard, sunflower. But some plants are also there that do not bear flowers. So they are called non-flowering plants. So children, basically we can categorize the whole plant world into two, that first is flowering plants and second is non-flowering plants. Again, most of the plants can be classified into three main groups on the basis of their size, nature of the stem and lifespan. Or these three categories are herbs, shrubs, or trees. So now we are going to discuss one by one the three categories of plants. The first is herbs. Herbs are small plants having a soft, delicate stem. Herbs do not have woody stem. They are non-woody plants, and herbs have a green and tender stem. We can easily bend the stem of a herb. A herb is short-sized plants. Herbs usually do not grow more than 1 meter in height. Herbs have a short lifespan, but more than we can say that the herb is seasonal plants. They may live for only 1 or 2 seasons. Some of the examples of herbs are tomato, mustard, radish, sunflower, wheat, paddy. All the crops you can see are herbs. Now, shrubs, the second category of the plant on the basis of their size, nature of the stem and lifespan. The shrubs are medium-sized plants with a hard woody stem branching out near the base. Though The stem of a shrub is hard, but it is not very thick. Actually, shrubs do not have a distinct main stem. Shrubs tend to branch near the ground level, so many branches are seen rising just above the ground. So, normally the shrubs give us a bushy appearance. A shrub, many shrubs are around us. We can see the rose, jasmine, croton, bougainvillea, china rose, pomegranate, henna, and lemon. Shrubs are bigger than herbs, but smaller than the tree, and lifespan of shrub for many years, but it is less than that of a tree. Now come to the trees. Trees are tall and big plants with hard and thick woody stem. The trees have one main stem called trunk, which usually gives out branches. The branches in a tree appear high up on the stems. Some of the examples of trees are neem, mango, palm, teak, oak, sandalwood, coconut, eucalyptus, banyan, and jamun. So some trees are never branched like coconut and palm tree. The trees are very big in size and the lifespan of trees is very large. Trees usually live for many years. So children, now the question comes to differentiate between the shrubs and trees. So we can differentiate between shrub and tree. Shrubs are medium-sized plants, whereas trees are very tall and big plants. Shrubs branch near the ground, whereas trees branch much above the ground. Shrubs have thin stems, whereas trees have thick stems. So this is all about the herbs, shrubs, and trees, the three categories of the plants on the basis of their size, nature of stem, and lifespan.